Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I am Arunima and in this video we are going to see the detailed syllabus of agriculture, agriculture economy and computer awareness. So there are four sections in this FCI AGM General Administration Stream examination, and out of these four sections, one section is agriculture, agricultural economy and computer awareness, and 45 questions. Total 45 questions would be there from this section. So we are going to see what all you need to study in this section. Before the syllabus, quickly let us see the scheme of the examination, what is the examination pattern and important points. So for this examination, there are some points that you must remember. First, there is no negative marking. Okay, so even if you are not able to attempt some of the questions, I would suggest that you should mark your answer because you are not going to lose any mark for your wrong answers. This was the first thing. Second, there is no sectional timing. As you can see, total 150 minutes for total 180 questions, right? And third is no sectional cutoff would be there. It is like only aggregate cutoff, no sectional cutoff. Even suppose if you are able to clear your aggregate cutoff and you have scored 0 in this section, it is okay. And next point is that 50% is going to be your aggregate cutoff. That means if you are able to score 50% marks, then you will be called for the interview. But at the same time, you must also know that weightage of written examination and interview is 90% and 10% respectively. So more weightage is given to written examination. So merely clearing the cutoff is not going to be enough. You must score high marks in the written examination, that is phase one, to finally clear the examination. So you can see here that there are four sections. First is reasoning, data analysis and numerical ability. Second is general awareness and current affairs. Third is management and ethics. And fourth is agriculture, agricultural economy and computer awareness. So 45 questions from each section, 45 marks, maximum marks. That means each question carry 1 mark and total 150 minutes you will get. So in this video, we are going to see the syllabus of the fourth section. For agriculture, you need to cover introductory agriculture and branches of agriculture, and then crop production and classification of crops, very important, and then cropping system, definition, and also types of cropping system, right? Then types of farming and agriculture, and then farm management, introductory soil science. Soil science is again going to be important. Soil types, problematic soil, soil erosion, all this will come under this. And then pulses and crop production, as you can see here. Then seed production and details, plant nutrition, and then commercial crops like sugarcane, tea, coffee, tobacco, fiber crops. Okay, then if we talk about current agriculture, then all the recent schemes related to agriculture are very, very important from your examination point of view. And data is also important. There may be questions where they may ask about the data. Also, the budget allocation for the agri schemes. Okay, so all these current affairs, everything related to all the news related to agriculture is going to be important for your examination. Then if we talk about agri-economics, it is definition and classification, farm planning and farm budgeting, then production functions and relationship, principle of farm management, then system of farming. So these are the syllabus for agriculture, agriculture economics, and also you need to cover the current agriculture, right? If we talk about computer awareness, because in the fourth section, agriculture is also there and computer awareness is also there. So what we feel that around 30 questions would be from agri and agri economics, and approximately 10 to 15, not even 15, 10 to 15 from computer awareness. And here it is going to be 30 to 35 from agri. Okay, so if we talk about computer awareness, these are important topics which you must cover. History of computer, generation of computer, components of computers, types of computer, basic protocol of networking, then types of network, network topology, then MS Office, important aspects and key shortcuts, computer hardware as well as software, computer hardware and computer software, then printers and their types, browser and cookies, email, cyber security and threats, e-commerce, computer languages, firewall, basics of OSI model, then introduction to database management system, and general key shortcuts. Many times they ask questions, some questions from key shortcuts also. So these are your important topics for your computer awareness and also for your agri and agri economics. So friends, if you are eligible for this exam for technical stream or accounts or general administration or law, I would suggest that you must fill this form because it is going to be a great opportunity as this is for assistant general manager. So if you know, if you become a bank PO, it is going to be grade A, that is assistant manager. Then after 5 years, around 5 years, you get promotion and then you will become grade B, that is manager. And then after 5 6 years, then again you will appear for the promotion exams and then you will become grade C. Here, if you clear this exam FCI, directly you are going to be a grade C officer, that is assistant general manager. And your salary is also, your initial salary is going to be around 90 to 95,000, and that way it's a great opportunity. So you have time also because tentative date of the examination is May June. Also, last date of filling the form is 31st March, so you have enough time. Also, experience is not required, so I would suggest that if you are eligible, you please fill the form. And if you need any guidance for your preparation, iExamB courses are there. You can enroll for our courses. Already for general stream and accounts, our courses are there. Within 2 3 days, we are going to launch for technical and law also. So we are going to provide you video lessons, study notes, practice tests, live sessions, and interview guidance also for all these streams. Also, at iExamB site, mock test, first mock test is live for general administration. And you must be knowing that all mock tests are free at iExamB site. So if you want to write this, if you want to get a feel of this examination, what kinds of questions, what would be the difficulty level of the questions they are going to ask, you can write the mock test that is available at iExamB site free of cost. I hope this video helps. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.